Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the LED plant grow light. With all my purchases, I get nothing for buying these items. I like doing these unboxing videos though, in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this pamphlet that it comes with. LED plant light. It's aluminum, 24 LEDs. You've got red bulbs, you've got blue bulbs, you've got warm, so on and so forth. Hopefully you're going to be able to see that okay. What I'm going to do is show you everything you get, and then once I get it set up, maybe I'll give you a glimpse of how it works. Another user manual, kind of a quick operation guide. And then the plant light itself, so it's pretty basic. Now what's pretty cool about this one, the reason I went with it over the other ones is I've bought plant lights before. This one simply sticks in your plant. And then it's got a telescoping lens. So it makes the assembly of it a little bit easier. Other ones I've seen you clip on a desk or something like that. I kind of like that this one just goes straight in the plant. And then you've got your remote control switch here. It's got a plus and minus button, some different buttons. So again, once I get it plugged in and set up, I'll give you a glimpse of what it looks like when it's turned on. That's a quick unboxing, not much to it. Basically get a wall outlet, get a plant light with the USB cord already attached to it, and we're ready to go put it in the plant and get it going. Okay, so I've got my light set up in one of my succulent pots. It's actually pretty nice. I wanted to show you very quickly how the remote works. Pretty simple. You've basically got a power button down here on the bottom. When you press that, it's going to turn the unit on. And then you've got a couple different options. You've actually got a timer on here. You can set it between 3 hours, 9 hours, or 12 hours. And then you can also toggle the colors of the light. So for example, right now it's on warm light. Compress it again, it'll go to blue and pink. And I compress it again, it'll go to all three colors, which is kind of a reddish color. Press it again, it goes back to warm light. So those are your three different light options. And then at the top, you've basically got 10 different brightnesses you can choose. It's basically like a dimmer switch. So you can get it as bright as you want or as dim as you want. And that's it. Pretty basic. Again, it's telescoping, so you can raise it or lower it as close to your plant as you want to. Great for indoor when you don't have a lot of sunlight, or if you're maybe in an office and you need to get some light on your plants. Pretty good little gadget. Anyway, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.